In this lesson, we're going to be discussing formatting borders in Excel. Now, borders can be added and removed. Also, colors and style can be changed. There are several reasons why you should format your borders. One of the reasons is borders makes the document more readable and understandable. Now, the border menu is accessed in the ribbon in the font group. Note that the button remembers the border you used last. So just like the font color, and the fill color, the border remembers the last border you used. Let's take a look at how you can use borders in Excel. So we have different types of borders. Some of them are spelled out here, and we're going to be looking at how you can apply them here. Now for borders, you can change the border, you can also change the color, and you can also change the style of the border. Let's take a look at it. So for this first cell, it says we should apply the bottom border here. To do that, simply click on the border button. This is it in the font group. This is the border button. This is the border button here. Simply click on it. Now it says we should apply the bottom border. This is the bottom border. There are different types of borders you can apply here. So the example says we should apply the bottom border. Now click on it and notice the change. You can see that for the other cells, it's just the normal border. But for this one, the bottom border is highlighted in black. Let's apply the right border here. Repeat the same process. Click on the border button. Click on the right border. And notice the change here. Let's apply the bottom double border here. Click on the cell. Click on the border option. Now it says bottom double border. This is it. Click on it. Now you can see the difference between all of this border. Try to apply this too by yourself and see if you would get it. Now let's go to color in borders. So for this one, we're going to be changing the color of the bottom border to blue. Now let's first of all apply the border. This is the bottom border, which is here. So let's change the color to blue. To do that, click on the cell, click on the border. Now you come to line color. Look for blue color and you click on it. This pencil sign, you click on it to apply the color. Now you notice that this is black and this is blue. Let's try that for this one. Now notice that the pencil is still up. You need to drop it. Let's see how you can apply this one. The right border, green color. Simply click on it. First apply the right border, which is here. Now you go to the color, change it to green. Now you have to click on the cell to change the color. Now you can see we have the green color here. To drop the color, you can simply double click and it's gone. Now try this for the bottom double border. Change it to orange color. Let's try that. First of all, you change it to the bottom double border. Now notice that the last color we use is still here, which is what we're saying about the last formatting you used. It's still going to be there. So you have to change it to the current one you want to use. So just click on it. Click here. Now click orange. Click here. Click the line color. And you choose the orange. And your pencil sign is going to come up. Just click on it. You have it. Okay. Seems I made a mistake. I was supposed to select the double. Okay. bottom, okay, yes. And here we have it, the double bottom border with orange color. Just like we have the border color, we also have the line style and the border. Now let's try to style this line here. So we have the bottom border styled in blue, color in blue, click. Okay, we have the line color, blue, click on it. Now let's change the style. To change the style, simply click here. Now go to line style, choose any of the line. For this example, we're using the dotted line. So click on it, still apply with your pencil, apply it. So still with your pencil, you choose any of the border. Now you click on it. Now you can see the difference. So we have the bottom border. Here we have the bottom border in blue color. Here we have the bottom border in blue color and also in dotted line. So try to apply this, the thick bottom border. Try to apply the top and double bottom border. Now choose any color you want to give the border here. And here you choose the line style you want to give the border. After you've successfully done this, you understand how to use borders in Excel.